was year 2013 when James and Nadine first met each other for a music video. No one thought that this unlikely pairing would be the biggest opportunity of their lives.
First time we met was for my music video. Alam niyo ba? Of my first album. It was the first time together. She was my love interest, leading lady.
So we really had to actually, medyo awkward lang po kasi at that time. We met na before sa workshop, but then we never got to talk. As in, hindi po. So, may music video na dinadaldal ko po siya ng dinadaldal. Kasi parang kinakabahan din ako. Paano yun, hindi ko siya kakausapin, tapos kailangan sweet po kami, di ba? Mahirap. Nakasagot naman po siya. Pero super cling, sagot lang rin. Nagkukwento naman din siya. So, just to break the ice.
After it came out, everyone was saying, we look good together. It's like that. The music video was good. It was nice.
And this was only the beginning for Jadine. They were immediately given another project, Talk Back and Your Dad.
Actually, it wasn't very much of a fast forward. It was only
a few months after Diary ng Pangit. So I loved it when we were doing Talk Back. Parang I was so nervous kasi po, parang may yung Diary ng Pangit eh. Parang may naset siyang bar. So we have to, parang kailangan po namin lagpasan yun. But then, it was really fun.
So Talk Back and Your Dead, for me, that was all fun. It was all fun and learning. Because my character here, I got to really play around with. He was so...
extreme.
So larger than life and extreme. And completely unlike me. So it's fun to play around with that kind of character. And I learned a lot during that movie. And I think during that movie, that's when I thought, you know what, I can really do this for a living. You can leave this place and come with me. I'll take care of you, I promise.
At that point, it seemed nothing could stop Jadine's rise to the top. Following their two big-screen victories, James and Nadine landed exclusive contracts with the Kapamilya Network. They were also immediately given their first lead TV show, Once Upon a Time presents My App Boyfie.
That was weird. That was weird for me because I went from this swearing, smoking, like bad boy gangster.
Tapos sabay, joke, hindi nagsasalita, hindi gumagalaw.
I was just standing still all the time. It was weird being from such a crazy character becoming an emotionless robot. It was weird for me.
Ewan ko po kung nakakalas na siya dun kay Top bago niya ginawa si Joe.
But I'm glad we did it.
Yeah.
A lot of kids that come to me and they say, it's Kuya Joe, Kuya Joe.
Tsaka Once Upon a Time, like it's part of my childhood. As in, bata pa lang po ko Once Upon a Time nanonood na.
She was saying, when the music played.
Yeah.
She said, I can't believe I'm on
Once Upon a Time. Ay, oh, grabe, ang sweet.
And it seems Jadine is destined to conquer the big screen again with Paras, a hopeless romantic. This time with another pair, Inigo Pascual and Julia Barreto.
There's more pressure. Kasi this is not like parang Diary ng Pangit tsaka Talk Back. Mas seryoso po kasi yung para sa hopeless romantic and mas realistic siya. So parang mas may drama, mas malalim yung kwento po niya. So ako medyo nahirapan po ko dito.
It was very dark.
Like literally dark. Scared.
But then all the fans said that was our best movie. I love you.
Love you times infinity plus one.
Harutan.
3 box office hit movies in a row, a top-rating TV show, all achieved in just 1 year. But while others might start celebrating this big feat, especially for a love team that has only started, these victories pose more fears for James and Nadine.
Because we rose very fast. We got where we are pretty quick. And we got everything so quick, just like that, we can lose it just the same.
Parang we were on the fast lane, pero parang we're going too fast. Diba kung maubusan po kami ng parang ganon.
nung sikat na sila, parang, wow, sikat na kayo. Nakakaloka kayo. Yung schedule nila nung ginagawa namin yung Diary ng Pangit, as opposed to yung schedule nila, yung ginagawa namin ng Hope is Romantic, ay magkaiba. Kasi, kami na yung nag-a-adjust. Paano to? Hati-hati. Parang anytime, pwede natin silang hilahin lang at okay na, makakapag-shoot. Eto, hindi. Wala na silang schedule. But I am so proud and thankful na, especially sa fans nila, dahil lahat ng mga projects nila, sinusuportahan pa rin nila hanggang ngayon, magmula pa nung Diary ng Pangit.
Sanay na sila talaga. Perfect na sila dun sa kilig part.
Happiness ko, makapagpasaya. Kaya ito, inaaraw-araw ko i-push. Inaaraw-araw ko mag-Enervon para